everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be opening up these two tins of Pokemon cards. We've got the Samurott tin, and we have the Decidueye tin, not the Typhlosion tin, because we don't want the Typhlosion tin. Boring. Right, so let's start by cracking these open. Oh, there we go. Chuck that over to the side over there. And let's open this one up at the same time. I think that's a good idea. This one we'll want to open. There we go. Chuck that rubbish over there. Right, there we go. The two tins. Which one should we open up first? I say the Samurott. Okay, so there's our Samurott. Ooh, I like the look of this. Right, so there's our Samurott. I do not have sleeves with me at the moment. I forgot to get them out, so I'll put them in sleeves in a minute. So there's that. This bit looks really nice, not gonna lie. Yeah, so there's the first V card. Let's put that to the side. That goes over there. We've got our pack. Our lineup is Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, and Fusion Strike. So I'm guessing we're gonna get that in here as well. The exact same. So we've got the Decidueye, pretty neat, and there's the code card. You can have that code card too. Yes. So yes. Right, Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strike. Perfect. So let's just. Okay, 8 packs. 80 cards in here. Let's go. Come on. These ain't opening for me today, I guess. Okay. Code card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rubbish to the side. And here we go. So, oh, Overquill. I believe there is a Quillifish. That's it, not Cyndaquil. Hoot. Oh, okay. The Gardevoir Trainer Gallery and Leafeon non-holo rare. Okay, first hit of the day. Ooh, that looks actually really nice. Right, let's put that to the side. More Astral Radiance, here we come. Oh, I think I might have saw something there. Not too sure. But yep, Duntrix trekking shoes. Chatot. This is just useless. Oh, Radiant Hawlucha, whatever. This, I'm getting hit every packet so far, and nothing. Oh, wait, no, Cleavor Hollow. Right, okay, I'll put that in there. Why not? But yeah, that's, wow, I'm doing really good. Radiant there. So, now we're going on to some more Astral Radiance. This one ain't opening up. I reckon it's got something gold. That's why it ain't opening. There we go. Code card for you. Just chuck that over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dwop, Yamega, Ponyta, Psyduck, Payto. Oh, the first non-hit of the day. And the first reverse of the day. Right, the last Astral Radiance here. What if I had to open them up like this? I've never tried this. Oh god, wow, that's hard. Well, I ate them. Oh, okay, I suppose that works. I revealed the code card, right, probably just a trainer gallery or a Radiant, but I don't think I'm going to get any of that with my luck. Yep. Yeah. Okay, let's go into some Brilliant Stars now. Oh yes, that was finally a good one. Oh yes, that's good. Should I just... I'm going to go straight through it anyway. Nothing. Just gonna hollow. Do that. Restart. Good card. That was a quick one. Into Brilliant Stars next. Well, some more Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars I find the easiest to open. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why am I putting the code cards in where the rare cards go? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my gosh! Oh wow! Wow, we got some heat in here. Wow, Rapid Strike Ushirifu VMAX Gold. Okay. Oh, it's getting hot in here. This is the best day ever. Oh, and even better. Oh, look at that. Okay. I never thought we'd get a gold card today. You know what? Let's turn this into, put it in a sleeve. Okay, I've got some sleeves here. Wow, it is fire today with these cards. Oh, look at that. Right, let's sleeve up these other ones. Right, let's move this bulk out the way. I've only got Fusion Strike left. Not too good of a set, but I'll take it. Any day. Any day I'll take Fusion Strike. There's the Gardevoir. There we go. Into the sleeve. Let's put that there. Actually, no, let's not put them there. Let's put them here. Let's still sleeve up these, what are they called? I don't need sleeves for these hollows, but yeah. So I'll still sleeve up the Black Star promos. Oh, I forgot to do my noise. I meant to do my noise. If you haven't realised, I do every now and again. I do a noise. And then the Radiant Hawlucha. So the only way for me to use up all of these sleeves if I were to get a double hitter in the next 2 packs. Come on, let's get that Gengar VMAX. Let's get it. Ooh. Whoa. Black code card, but like, what? That card. Oh no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Let's just hope it's not in the rare slot. Okay, so we are not using up all the sleeves. Okay. Oh, hello. That's fine. Oh, it was a hollow. It was a reverse hollow. Oh. How can a card get that badly damaged? I simply don't understand. Okay. Last pack magic. Let's get that Gengar VMAX. Alternate art. I will not, but I'm opening up it in the weirdest way possible. There's the code card. I was going to do it on the front then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Revenant, Gossifer, Sapper, Eevee, Jinx, Rotom. Okay, we are ending on a Cinderace V. The only V that we pulled. But that's fine. That is fine. I'll take it. That is honestly fine. I pulled a gold card today. A Radiant. A Trainer Gallery. I mean, this is from 2 tins. 2 tins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 hits it. Hang on. 4, I mean. 4 hits. 2 in each tin, pretty much. Or maybe even, that's probably a whole tin, you know. Okay, that's a bit suspicious. But if you were to count these, then that would be, if there's 8 packs, 1 dud. 1 dud pack. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I think I'm going to give myself a pat on the back for that. We have just pulled this bad boy. It literally came out of nowhere. Okay. Right. Thank you for watching. Oh, pardon me, sorry. Like, share, subscribe. If you love collecting Pokemon cards, remember, 100 subscribers, 1 face reveal from me. Or I might even do it early, but probably not. When we hit 100 subscribers, face reveal. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Love Pokemon cards. I think I've said that already. But good. Bye.